What is it like to serve at Oklahoma Academy? People often ask us what it's like to work at Oklahoma Academy. That's actually a difficult question to answer because most people come here expecting a job. What they usually find is a mission and a family. Oklahoma Academy is an independent Seventh-day Adventist boarding academy located in Hara, Oklahoma. Our purpose is simple: to help prepare young people for lives of service to God and to others. That mission touches everything we do.
Some staff members teach in the classroom. Others train students in aviation, auto mechanics, farming, communications, construction, music, or countless other practical skills. Some work behind the scenes in the cafeteria, business office, maintenance department, or grounds crew. Different responsibilities, one mission: preparing workers for the harvest. What surprises many new staff members is how quickly they become part of the community.
One staff member shared that when they arrived on campus with a moving truck, they expected to spend the day unloading furniture in the Oklahoma heat. Instead, students, staff, and families began showing up. Within a little over an hour, the truck was empty. The work was finished. The friendships were just beginning. That spirit of service is woven into daily life here. Because Oklahoma Academy is a relatively small school, people know one another. Students aren't numbers. Staff aren't simply employees. Life is shared through worships, meals, work projects, music programs, mission trips, retreats, campouts, and countless conversations that happen in between. Many staff members discover that some of their most meaningful ministry takes place outside their job description. A teacher may become a mentor, a mechanic may help a student discover a career path, a flight instructor may inspire a future mission pilot, a cafeteria worker may encourage a struggling teenager at just the right moment. The opportunities are everywhere. One of the unique aspects of Oklahoma Academy is Mission Track. Students can receive training in areas such as aviation, communications, auto mechanics, farming, and other practical skills while preparing for future mission service. Many graduates spend months or even a year serving after graduation. We've seen students serve in Alaska, Belize, South America, Asia, Africa, and many other parts of the world. One recent graduate is preparing to use the auto mechanics skills he learned at Oklahoma Academy in Africa. Another used communications training received here to help establish a radio ministry during mission service in Alaska. Stories like these remind us that education is about far more than earning a diploma. It's about preparing young people to make a difference. Of course, serving at Oklahoma Academy is not always easy. Like any mission, there is hard work. There are long days, there are challenges, but there is also tremendous joy in watching young people grow, mature, discover their calling, and dedicate their lives to serving others. Many who come to Oklahoma Academy expecting to stay for a few years find themselves building friendships that last a lifetime. Others arrive during retirement or a career transition and discover a new chapter of ministry they never expected. So, what is it like to serve at Oklahoma Academy? It's teaching, mentoring, building, repairing, encouraging, planning, cooking, flying, growing, creating, and serving. It's seeing your profession become a ministry. It's helping prepare workers for God's harvest. It's becoming part of a community that believes the world can be changed one life at a time. And perhaps most importantly, it's having a front row seat as God works in the lives of young people. If that sounds like something you would like to be part of, we invite you to explore the opportunities available at Oklahoma Academy. You may discover that you are not simply looking for your next job. You may be discovering your next mission. If this vision resonates with you, we'd love to talk with you about serving at Oklahoma Academy.